You gonna finish this? Ice cream? No. He's not gonna finish it.
I'll finish it for him.
Daddy's gonna eat it also.
Mommy, I'm only gonna have one more bite.
Okay. That's okay. Down in the middle.
Now the winner is finished.
Dylan's the winner. He ate it. All the ice cream. As long as
And everyone lost.
he's calm. That's the only way we keep him calm.
Mom,
With food.
Mommy, I like your ice cream.
Yeah, thank you.
No, I don't. I don't like your ice cream.
Why not?
Because I like Johnny's ice cream better. Oh, Johnny, nice ice cream. Dad, Johnny, nice ice cream.
Keep it down, Dylan. You're down. Lower your voice.
Hey, do that, Bill.
I think he's hyper already with ice cream.
Give me that, Bill. I'm gonna clean the spoon. Can you clean it? Clean it, is it?
Ask nicely, Dylan. You should have gotten 4 forks in.